In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a pending Zelle payment. By the way, if you run a business, Zelle probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Log into your bank's mobile app or online banking, or open the Zelle app if you use it directly. Tap the menu icon, then select Send Money with Zelle. Go to the Activity tab to view your recent transactions. Under your payments, find the transaction marked as pending and tap on it. Select Cancel, then Confirm by tapping Yes, Cancel. Keep in mind that you can only cancel the payment if the recipient hasn't enrolled with Zelle yet. If they're already enrolled, the payment cannot be cancelled, so always double-check the details before sending money. Zelle is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, enrolls is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Zelle offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed enrolls review, covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.